Now, how I got over $15,000 in 9 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you can see over here, I have multiple accounts on ClickBank. This is just a new test account for manifestation, the digital products, okay? Now, as you can see over here, right, we had some really great results. Now, the most important thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing is knowing who is your audience and exactly knowing what is the message the market match. This is really important. As you can see, right, in just 1 day, I had $2,500 in sales. Now, why this matters, okay? It's because if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, or if you're already someone who wants to have results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, then what you need is you need to have someone to show exactly what actually converts and works in 2025, okay? You need someone to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and guide you by hand-holding you along the way. So you know exactly, okay, is this low emotional state audience, high emotional state, what is the message the market match, and deeper psychology of ads. The best thing is here why we have these numbers on a low, very, very low ad spend using, for example, TikTok ads, and Google ads, and Facebook ads is because, the reason is because we have a great high quality offer with a great upsell take rate. So many people are buying also the upsells, as you can see over here. In this week, over here, $8,500. And here we started $3,500, okay? So with this offer, I didn't go full in 100%, but now when I see the results, yes, we will try to scale this offer. And knowing that belief shifting is very important thing once you try to scale the offer on ClickBank, okay? You have to understand there are deeper psychology of ads. It's not just creating a ClickFunnels landing page and hope the ads are going to work. It doesn't work that way, okay? So if you want to connect with me one-on-one, there is my Facebook, my Instagram. You can follow me and DM me, but only if you're serious, if you want to take it seriously and have these kind of results in 2025.